Right, okay, so when you blend your breakfast smoothie in the morning, let's say it's banana and tuna, before you start the day, you will put something in the food processor. You will connect the food processor to the mains by plugging it in, and then you will press the button, which is the switch, and that will complete the circuit. And what is actually going on is you've got a coil or a motor whizzing around over and over again. Okay, once that has been connected. Now, let's have a look and see how a direct current motor works. Okay, so what happens is it's got a magnet. Okay, it's got two magnets, which is north and south. Okay, now when you press the button, the circuit is complete and the motor effect applies. So we get the left-hand roll out. The current that is going into the board, bear in mind that the field is left to right, means that that end of the coil will go down. The current that is coming out of the board means that goes up. So in terms of spinning around, this one goes down, this one goes up, so you've got that kind of path. The problem is, because when it gets 180 degrees from that, the field direction hasn't changed, but the direction the current is, then the coil would start to reverse direction. We don't want that. What you'd get is you'd get something doing that very, very quickly, over and over again, rather than that circular motion that you want. So we don't want it to reverse, okay, like this. We want it to go around in a circle. So what we do is we put in a split ring commutator. So this goes up, that goes down, and then what happens is the current reverses direction so it can keep on spinning as one clean thing. So, what this is a ring that we put in place at this point here. There are two graphite brushes and there are two C-shaped bits of conducting material. What happens is, this rotates around with the coil. This red bit is connected to the positive, this blue bit is connected to the negative. So, red bit goes up, blue bit goes down. As it spins, when it gets to 90 degrees, there is a gap, and momentum keeps the coil in the same direction. To stop it from spinning back on itself, the blue bit is now in contact with the positive, and the red bit is now in contact with the negative. And because we've reversed the direction of the current, then it can keep on spinning. So what is the job of the split ring commutator? The split ring commutator reverses the direction of the current, and it does this every half turn so that it can keep on spinning. Each C-shape alternates contact between positive and negative. So here the red is in contact with the positive, 180 degrees later, it's the blue bit that's in contact with the positive. And after each gap between the graphite brushes, it alternates between positive and negative. And that is how a rotating motor works.